In this video, I'm going to answer a simple but important question. Can you fix x.com or Twitter fleets not working? The short answer is no, you actually can't fix it because Fleets was officially shut down and removed by Twitter, now called X. That means if you're trying to find Fleets on your app, on desktop, or on mobile, you're not missing a setting and you're not dealing with a hidden bug. The feature is gone for everyone. If this clears things up, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech explainers, troubleshooting guides, and social media tutorials. Now let's break this down so you know exactly what happened and what you can do instead. First, if you opened X and tried to locate Fleets, you may have noticed it no longer appears anywhere in the interface. That is because Fleets was a temporary post format, similar to stories, and it was discontinued. Twitter removed the feature completely, so there is no update, reinstall, reset, or account change that can bring it back. Second, if you searched online for fixes, you may have seen suggestions like clearing the cache, updating the app, logging out and back in, or reinstalling SIT. Those steps can solve many app problems, but they will not restore Fleets. Since the feature is officially retired, those troubleshooting steps won't make it reappear. Third, if your goal was to post temporary updates, the best approach now is to use current X features instead. You can post regular tweets, add images or videos, use replies, create threads, or explore any newer posting tools that X provides. In other words, the replacement for Fleets is not a hidden button. It is simply using the platform's active features. So if someone asks, why is my Fleets not working? The real answer is that Fleets no longer exists. This is not a device issue, not an iPhone issue, not an Android issue, and not a browser issue. It has been removed across the platform. If you are hoping for a fix, the most accurate fix is understanding that there isn't one. You cannot re-enable a discontinued feature on x.com or Twitter. The only thing you can do is move forward with the currently supported tools. To recap, x.com and Twitter Fleets are no longer available, so there is nothing to repair, restore, or troubleshoot. If your Fleets are not working, that's because the feature has been shut down permanently. I hope this saves you time and confusion. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more clear answers to common tech and social media questions.